Hello everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chatni and welcome to my channel Super School. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic from English grammar, which is conditional. And in one of the previous videos, I have already introduced the topic conditional by explaining what is a conditional, and also I have discussed about zero conditional, and today I'm back with the discussion for first conditional. So I have already mentioned that there are different types of conditional: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional, and mixed conditional. So in this video I will cover first conditional, but if you haven't watched my previous video, then you should go and watch it for a better understanding of this one. Now I will begin. So first of all, first conditional is a sentence structure which is used to express possibilities in the future or in present. So we can express possibilities in the present or in the future using this particular conditional rule. Now, it can be also considered as an assumption about what might happen. So let's see an example. If you study hard, you will pass the test. If you study hard, you will pass the test. Now here, simple present tense plus main clause, which is in future tense. And we can also use modal verb like can or may in this simple future tense. Anyways, but the example that I'm going to be sharing with you is in simple future tense, where the helping verb is will. So if you study hard, you will pass the test, or if you study hard, you can pass the test. Both are correct. Now let's see three examples which are not correct. So incorrect example. So I believe if you learn by your mistakes, then you will remember it for a longer period of time. And let me know in the comment section below if my belief is right. Now, number one, if you studying hard, you will get a result. Now, this sentence is not correct. What is incorrect? With if, the sentence structure we have used is not correct. So what would be the correct sentence? If you study hard, not studying. Studying is the present participle form of the verb. So we cannot use it here in the form of simple present tense. It will be certainly a wrong sentence. So if you study hard, you will get a good result, or you will pass the exam with flying colors. Now, number two. If you will exercise a lot, you will lose weight. So what is incorrect in this sentence? The incorrect tense is with the clause that I'm using with if. That is, with if I'm using a simple future tense, which is not correct. I have to use simple present tense. So if I exercise a lot, I will lose weight. Or if you exercise a lot, you will lose weight. Now, number three. If I miss the bus, I will taking a taxi. It is completely wrong, and I don't need to even mention. You can understand just by hearing that something is wrong with the sentence. So, in the main clause, I have used not even a future continuous. I don't know. It's a completely wrong sentence structure. Anyways, so it must be in simple future tense. So what would be the correct answer? If I miss the bus, I will take a taxi. So I hope this discussion of first conditional will help you to clear out all your problems in constructing sentences where you want to express something about present or future regarding possibilities. So let me know in the comment section below what are the topics that I can cover for you, those topics that you're struggling with. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook, and please like and subscribe my channel and share it as well. Thank you.